Showcase kusanelezi baba. Mina wami kulo mhlaba kuyajabulisa, zibancane zalifika zizongijabulisa. Mangikhuluma vele kuthiwe semphoqile, ngisho ngenza iphutha vele kuthiwe bengiqondile. Ngabe uyangizonda or uyangithanda na? Engabe userious or uzodlala na? Into ngiqale about 10 years back, ngafaka amahanisi never turn back. Ngisebenza kanzima, put my faith to the Lord, dreaming about the things that are hard to afford. Wake up in the morning every day, you are broke. You call yourself a father when you're nothing but a joke. I remember with tears in my eyes, watching life shoot me down like a dice. Akusafani manje indlela seziyaqaqa, kufanele ziphushele esigodini samakhaya. Yeah, ngihlala ngenyembezi emehlweni, ngihlala ngekho mali ephaketheni, ngihlala balusizi ebusweni, ngihlala ngikhala njalo mangivuke kuseni, ngihlala ngenyembezi emehlweni, ngihlala ngekho mali ephaketheni, ngihlala balusizi ebusweni, ngihlala ngikhala njalo mangivuke kuseni. LOF kule flow iyaplota, fake MC back or uyaphosa. Ilephikale way back ngekho mali, angizange ngagive up, angibekithemba kumdali. Now it's me and the pen, writing a track on my way to the bank to cash out a check. Ngiyakhumbula ngibhalele ekamerweni, ngithi ngiyacabanga kwehla inyembezi emehlweni. Noma ngathini mina vele ngisosha, mina ne-rap sasayinopindo bopha. Everyday ngiyaphusha ngizama ukuya kuhlala ngikhala, nakukhala njalo kuwukuyishaya ngempama. I grab the mic and speak whatever, tryna flip them verses into a cheddar. In my life there is this slight change, ngizelwe kabusha, I'm writing a new page. Ngihlala ngenyembezi emehlweni, ngihlala ngekho mali ephaketheni, ngihlala balusizi ebusweni, ngihlala ngikhala njalo mangivuke kuseni, ngihlala ngenyembezi emehlweni, ngihlala ngekho mali ephaketheni, ngihlala balusizi ebusweni, ngihlala ngikhala njalo mangivuke kuseni. Showcase.